Hello students, how are you doing today? Is your mind drawing a blank, especially when dealing with questions, those from number systems, those unique pesky digits, like they give you a unique positive integer, positive digits where they multiply or add and give you a unique result? Is your mind drawing a blank, unable to comprehend what step to take, or you're just calculating tables just like that? Solve these now. What is 14 13s? 1, 2, 3. If your answer is anything other than 182 and you have taken more time, next go for 17 into 16. 1, 2, 3. If it is anything other than 272 and you have taken more time, 49 plus 77. 1, 2. And particularly in CSAT, you might have in CSAT 2023, you should have seen this question where they give you this and ask you to find out the difference between these two digits. Are you unable to move forward from this? Next. There are certain questions in CSAT, particularly in 2023, where they give you 1 repeated 9 times and when it is multiplied and ask you the sum of digits in the result. Are you being bowled or by such questions? You want to do better? You want to remove that fear of CSAT, particularly those of number systems? Are your many coaching centers tell you to come with basics, but how many are actually taking the pain to teach you the basics? Taking all these considerations into mind, we at Vijeta are coming with you a boot camp called Basics Like Never Before. If you are one from a technical background, if you are one from an arts background, if you have taken CSAT coaching, if you have not taken CSAT coaching, or you are in the fence thinking about taking CSAT coaching, let me make a big promise to you today. After 6 classes of this boot camp, I promise you, after 6 classes, you will be able to solve, taking CSAT 2023 as a reference, at least 10 to 15 marks, that too not through complicated steps, just like that, 15 to 30 seconds per each question, and 10 to 15 marks. You might not realize the gravity of this. Out of whole 66.66 marks, 10 to 15 questions in a jiffy. Are you interested? All this after just 6 classes of this boot camp, and it doesn't get any better. It is free. No matter at which position you are, no matter your basic comprehension level or your basics regarding calculations, after this boot camp, I promise you, you will see CSAT in a whole new different light. And join me from November 15th for this free session where no matter what your basics should be. Join me from November 15th where no matter your basics are or no matter the position of your CSAT coaching. After those boot camp, you will be able to see CSAT at a whole different level and develop a liking for CSAT questions. Waiting for you. Let's join on November 15th.